Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be doing the Bluetooth audio codec support test in the Realme X7 Pro, and I'll be also talking about the Bluetooth latency while playing the PUBG game in this video. So make sure to comment below, friends, in case if you're having any other doubts regarding the Realme X7 Pro, and also don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of the Realme X7 Pro. I did see a lot of users, they are asking the questions of already uploaded videos in my channel, so make sure to check the playlist before asking the question. So try to comment below in the comments section, so which the video which I did not upload it, so make sure to comment that kind of video. Definitely I'll do my best to do that video right now. So as you can see, friends, he is a user who is really interested to know how is the network latency while using the Bluetooth earphones, as you can see, friends. So he gave the example of connecting the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, as you can see here. But at the moment, unfortunately, I don't have the OnePlus Bullets to test, but I do have the similar kind of low-end price range headset and the Bluetooth earphones, and even the Samsung Gear Buds Plus as well, so which is a premium and Bluetooth earphones. And even I'll be testing the Bluetooth audio codec support test as well. What is a Realme X7 Pro? What are the different codecs it does support? So this was another question which was asked by the same comment, same subscriber. So let's see, friends, in this video what are the different things you will get to know about the Bluetooth, and later I'll talk about the latency as well while playing PUBG game. First, let's focus on the what are the different Bluetooth codecs you can get in this device. So right now I connected the Bluetooth with the Galaxy Buds Plus. So right now with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, you do get the codec of AAC, as you can see, friends. You can use the high quality audio from this Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So now let me try to disconnect the buds. So as I said, I'll be talking about the Bluetooth latency later on in the end of the video. So first, let me try to show you what are the different Bluetooth codecs it's available. So this is the Soundcore Bluetooth earphones. As you can see, the price of these Bluetooth earphones, I think close to 2000. So when there's an offer, you will get for less. But let me try to quickly connect the Bluetooth earphones right now. So let's see, friends, what will the codec for this Soundcore earphones. So right now I did pair my Bluetooth earphones, as you can see, and here you can see the aptX, as you can see, friends. So this is a different kind of codec support test. In the first, we did see the Samsung's AAC, and the second we are seeing the aptX, as you can see, friends, and third, which is another headset from the Soundcore same company. So now let me try to disconnect this Bluetooth earphones, and then let me try to connect to the another headsets. So let's see what that codec will be there. So overall, now we got to know two different codecs, and let me try to turn on this Bluetooth headset. So Bluetooth headset has been turned on, and let me try to connect. So it's been a long time connecting the headphones. So let me try to show you the codec support. As you can see, even this has got the AAC codec, as you can see, friends. So overall, these are the few different codecs which are supported, and even there is an, I think, SBC. I'm not sure what is that term, I forgot. So even that is also supported, but that is supported in my Redmi Buds. But at the moment, I don't have that Redmi Buds. But I did test, I think, couple of maybe last month, I think so. So I did test all this kind of codecs which are completely supported in this Realme X7 Pro device. So now first problem has been solved. What are the codecs? And I think almost all the codecs are supported in this Realme X7 Pro device. So now let's move to the another part, which is about the network latency. So in terms of the network latency, first thing is that I do feel latency is too much in this kind of Soundcore headset. So headset is not that great in terms of the gaming. So that is what the first impression about this headset, Soundcore headset. And if I talk about the earphones, so regarding the Soundcore earphones, so this not even this can be little bit lag while playing, but not that big lag, but little bit, friends, very minute. But when you compare with the Samsung's Gear Buds Plus, it's really good in the Samsung, so no issues in the Samsung Buds. But in the Soundcore, I did test in a couple of more phones and it was okay, but I did see a lot of reviews in the Flipkart saying that the gaming, it is not suitable for the gaming. Even I did receive a couple of comments in one of these videos of the Soundcore earphones that they're having the difficulties while playing the game and they're facing some kind of lag. But for me, I did not notice any of those lag while playing the PUBG game in this Realme X7 Pro device. And I may not be able to show you in this video, but you just need to trust me based upon my word. So as I said, I'll be doing only the honest reviews. None of the phones or any products are sponsored in my channel. All the phones which are I reviewed in my channel, all of them I bought with my own money only. So definitely friends, there's nothing for me personal to recommend one of the brand, but you just need to trust me, and I'll be just honest in terms of this kind of testings in the mobile phones mainly. So overall, I did not feel much lag while using this particular headset Soundcore in this Realme X7 Pro. But I don't have the OnePlus Bullets wireless earphones. But maybe in the future, if I get hands-on with that OnePlus Bullets, definitely I will be able to talk you more about those kind of earphones. So that's it, friends. This is a quick review about the codecs and lag latency review on this Realme X7 Pro. Overall, it was good experience even while listening to the audios through the Bluetooth. Let me try to quickly show you one thing is that are you enabled to add the uh, Dolby Atmos while using the earphones or not? As you can see, even while using the Bluetooth earphones, you can enable the Dolby Atmos. So I was taking this thing, so you can do that. And that's it, friends. This is a quick review, and for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.